mountain, the river up to, and the hill refreshing wherever you go. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Wow, wow, wow. Ay, nasunog.
Sayang kayong mais mo.
Wala masyadong gasyat-syat akong kuan. Guys, wala po kaming ano ha, wala kaming break.
Partida.
Takang pako dahil, takang pako yan.
Na, wala tong break.
Wala kaming break, promise. Ganda ito nung hawak.
Hala, may break. Hala.
Wala pa yung di mo nagasyat-syat akong pandong akong cellphone mas matakot kagdan. Oh, iba yung sinasisingking. Guys, wow, maganda yung personal guys. Oh, yan. Oh, hala. Here comes the king. A king will not take orders to the winged elf. You are no king to me. Aray. Dawa ka mo.
Oh no. Oh no.
Ayan.
We are in Lubak-Lubak.
Rough road.
Sama ng rap.
Magaspang.
Sama ng road. Ay, murag daong ni gamay, rap. Agay.
Aray. Ano ibig sabihin doon?
Uling.
Uling siya. Ang ganda niya sa ano ha. And you make me feel. And you make me. Ay, wala itong view kasi ano, natabunan siya ng ano, kahoy. But look at that. This is what you call umbak. And the beauty of your holiness. Wow! Wow, look at that! That's nice. Your eyes still on the road, not on my phone. Yeah, look at this one. Oh. Nice. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng view namin dito sa bayan. Yan. Kaya everyday na-appreciate ko ang buhay na napakaganda at napakatahimik.
Life is colorful.
Yes. Bakit pa ako magtitiis sa ibang bansa na pagkamahal-mahal ng renta ng bahay ko 20,000 a month? Hey, naku, samantala ito libre. Libre bahay, libre tubig, libre bigas kasi may income. Tapos tubig, yun. Okay, bye-bye.